So we have had the biggest year when it comes to AI image and video tools. And with next year literally around the corner, I thought that I would set everybody up for success by showcasing the best AI tools to look out for in 2025. Starting with the image generators first, we have Flux by Black Forest Labs. Now Flux, in my opinion, has won image generator of the year, and they don't even have a designated website to generate the images. What Black Forest focused on was gaining partnerships with websites like Krea and FreePic, which let them use the image generator on their platforms. Now, if you've used Flux before, you'll know that it's a pretty good all-rounder. It also does really well with logos and text generations. They also released Flux LoRa Trainer. It essentially lets the user train a model of a character or an object, which in return you will be able to generate images just by prompting. Now they also released Flux Pro and Flux Pro 1.1, which are some of the top generators on the artificial analysis leaderboard. So keep an eye out for them in 2025 as they continue to rise. Next on the list, we have Luma Dream Machine. And you're probably thinking that's a video generator, bro. And you are correct. Yes, it did get initially released as a video generator. However, in their recent update, they did release an image generation model called Luma Photon. Now, I don't know why, but when I'm generating images, they made it so easy to brainstorm and expand on ideas. Some of the generations come out really nice, and some of which I've never actually seen before. It's very underappreciated and it definitely needs more love, so go and check it out, guys. Moving on to a household favorite, Midjourney. Now Midjourney have had a relatively quiet second half of 2024. We are now up to version 6.1, but keep in mind that came out in July. They also released this new edit feature which lets you modify areas of the images that you generated. Now if you look at the artificial analysis leaderboard, Midjourney is still ranked in the top 5 as an all-rounder. I will say that when AI companies go quiet and don't release anything big, it means they are currently cooking up something big. So keep an eye out for Midjourney in 2025. Now this last one is not an image generator per se, but I think they deserve a special mention. Krea AI. Now Krea started off as just an enhancement tool for images. However, in the second half of 2024, they really changed the game by adding first Flux as their main image generator, and then allowing users to generate videos from all the top video generator models. They've sort of become a haven for AI tools, and they're releasing new features like training models of yourself and objects, or using their edit feature to making adjustments to images. I'm interested to see what other tools they embed into their website, so keep an eye on them in 2025. Let's move on to the video generators. Now, it would be a crime against humanity if I didn't start off with the crowd favorite, Kling AI. Now, when they released their model in mid-2024, they pretty much pushed Luma off the edge of the cliff, and they instantly gave Runway a run for its money. And after they released their 1.5 model and features like lip sync and custom face model, they arguably have taken the crown off Runway and cemented themselves as one of the best. Now, considering they've only been out for around about 6 months and have been constantly releasing new updates and features, I expect them to continue to have a good run in 2025, so keep an eye out for them. Next, we have Pika, and truth be told, if you asked me a month ago, I wouldn't have even remembered Pika. However, their recent release of Pika 2.0 and their scene ingredients feature cannot be ignored. In my last video, I showcased how well the model listens to prompt instructions after uploading multiple images to create one scene. No other model has this tech, and it's something that Pika could capitalize on if they make it better. So keep an eye on them in 2025. This next one, according to you guys in a recent poll that I did, is one of the most anticipated video generators coming in 2025, Google Veo 2. So it was announced in December, and whilst only a few creators have access to the model, we are already seeing generations that are far better than any video generator that I've mentioned already. Now there is a wait list to sign up, and there isn't a release date yet. However, this is a tool that you will want to get your hands on in 2025. And let's just hope that it doesn't flop like the next one on the list, Sora. Now, for those of you who don't know, OpenAI announced Sora as their video generator model back in February 2024. Everyone was excited to try it after seeing the results that they were showcasing. However, it was only released in December 2024. Now, I was one of the lucky people that spent $200, yes, $200 just to get access to all of the features. Unfortunately, after testing the model, I have come to the conclusion that it is currently broken in its current state, and I didn't even bother doing a video on it, to be quite honest. And I'm not the only one that thinks this. Have a look at the results on this recent poll that I did. However, this is OpenAI, and they have built the foundation for this model. They just need to fine-tune some stuff, and this could potentially be the best video generator model in 2025. Now, I couldn't do a video without mentioning the next one on the list, Runway ML. Now, I'm sure you're all aware of Runway by now. It's essentially one of the legacy video generator models. Now, they've had a massive year, releasing updates like Gen 3 and new features like Act 1. Now, they have fallen down the pecking order when it comes to individual generations. However, it's far from over for Runway. Keep in mind, they have been consistently releasing new features and have an established community. I expect them to continue in good form in 2025. The last one on our list, we have Minimax by Halo AI. Now, when it comes to accuracy from prompt instructions, I would have to say Minimax is the best. One thing I do like is the unlimited generations. However, they don't have more than 5-second generations, nor do they have a lip sync feature, which is why I think Kling is currently better than Minimax. However, they are only 2 to 3 features away from giving Kling a run for their money. So keep an eye on them in 2025. I expect them to continue with their good form as well. So that's it for the video, guys. And before I go, I'd just like to thank everyone that's been watching and following me throughout the year. We're nearly on 5,000 subs. So I'm going to continue this form in 2025, and I hope to see you guys there as well. I'll leave it there, guys, and I'll catch you guys in 2025. Peace.